And I think it's very obvious. To be fairly honest, when we started this research, we were not thinking that we're going to write a paper about potential harms. That was something that, that we were discussing. But originally our goal was to say like, hey, like, what is the impact and how can it help? Because when you use it, I myself, when I try to learn a new methodology, I myself use generative AI extensively to, immerse myself into concept. But what we ended up finding in an experiment where essentially students prepare for an exam either with their books or with ChatGPT, we find that when they have the books and ChatGPT with them, they do significantly better in ChatGPT or like generative AI. GPT-4 backed API is what we use. And when they have generative AI, they do significantly better. But when you take the books and laptops away, in the final exam, those who prepare the exam with books did significantly better. And part of what's going on is when you analyze what sort of questions students ask to the large language model is, what is the answer? Or they copy paste the question and they try to get the answer. So I think instead of using the technology as a learning tool, which certainly has these capabilities, they use it as almost like an answer machine. And that really affects the immersion into the concepts. And therefore, when you have the tool with you, you ask for the answer, and it's a very smart tool. So it gives you the answer, and your answer is correct, and your performance is better than what we would have done had you just had the book that doesn't really give just the, spoon feeding you the answer. But when you take the tool away, what you read and what you write in the top practice sheet is not necessarily, I believe, what you internalize. So that is part of the reason why we see that sort of crutch effect, essentially.